Hey buddy, today in this video we're making stir-fried pork and noodles, also known as pork chow fun. Let's begin. We have here a quarter cup of water. We're going to add a quarter cup of low sodium soy sauce. There you go. We're adding 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. 1, 2. We're also adding 2 tablespoons of Chow cooking wine. You can use sherry cooking wine or any other red wine. 1, 2. 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Oh, that's 1 tablespoon. 2, 3. 2 tablespoons of pure sesame seed oil. 1, 2. And also 2 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, that's 1, 2. Stir the sauce so that everything is all even. Okay, it's looking good. We're gonna put this to the side. Okay, we're gonna cut up the pork. We're using pork shoulder blade steak. It's around $2.69 a pound, and it's a little bit over 1.5 pounds. We're going to cut it into strips. You want to cut into thin strips so that it will cook faster. Okay, cut out the bone. There you go. Cut off the extra fatty strip. Okay, we trimmed off and removed all the excess fat. We're gonna get rid of it. We're gonna season it with garlic salt. Just like that. Turn it over. Okay, there we go. And we're just gonna add a little bit of ground white pepper. There you go, that's it. Next, we're gonna crack open 1 egg. And we're gonna add just a little bit of pure sesame oil. Let's say around a spoon. We're gonna mix it up first. It's a little runny, so we're going to add some cornstarch. We're going to first add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and mix it in. We want to add enough cornstarch where it has a thick consistency. The reason why we add cornstarch and egg is so that when we cook it, the pork will become moist and tender. It's still a little runny, so we're going to keep adding cornstarch. We're going to add another tablespoon. Okay, it's looking good. We're gonna set this aside for right now. The next thing what we're gonna do is cook some noodles and soften them up. This bag is 16 ounces and we're gonna use half of this, so we're using around 8 ounces of dry rice noodles. Okay, let's start. Okay, the water is boiling. We're gonna add around half a bag, which is 8 ounces of dry noodles. It's bubbling pretty good. We're gonna lower the heat to medium. Okay, it's softened up, yet firm. We're gonna turn off the heat. Okay, we're gonna pour it out into the sink. Next, we're gonna spray some cold water to stop the cooking process. It's looking good. And now we're gonna cook up the pork. Okay, we have it on high heat. We're gonna add some olive oil. Spread the whole around. Now we're going to add the pork. Okay, we're going to flip them over. And cook the other side. Okay, now we're going to stir them around a little bit. Okay, we're going to check the temperature. We're going to stick it with the thermometer. And it's well above 145 degrees. So it's done. Okay, we're going to put the pork to the side for right now. And next, we're going to add 1 cup of chopped up white onions. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Okay, we browned up the white onions. We're going to add 1 cup of sliced up carrots. Next, we're going to add the pork back in. Now we're going to add the noodles. And also the sauce we made. Stir everything all together. We also have here 1/4 cup of water. And we're going to add a tablespoon of cornstarch. And stir it all together. And this will help thicken the sauce. Just make a little room in the center and pour it in. And stir everything all together. We're going to turn off the heat and put it on a plate. Last thing what we're going to add is 1/4 cup of chopped up parsley on top. Okay, this is what we have today, stir-fried pork and noodles, also known as pork chow fun. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.